this is my Lego Ratchet. All of view, back, side, without sticker, front. Yeah, not much. And you got his movie size. He's not movie accurate, sadly. I do not have enough greens to make him like that, so yeah, onto the transformation. Take these bits, take them, just take them off for a bit, just like that, but it still keeps them in. Come out and click those. This should come down, and you turn it around like that. Take it up. Just get that back. Take his arms bound. Take that down, move those back, get him standing. Then with the legs, turn them around, turn the arms around, turn this bit around, his feet, turn this bit around. Then he has a little spacing out with his legs. You can put it on his head now. All it is that. Yeah, it's the first ever time I've done one of those little heads. And then I take this bit round. Let's show you that one, and I can quickly do it on the other side. You take that bit and you turn it around. Now you can put it down. Just take that bit, put it up, now you've got one arm, let me just quickly do it to the other. Do you turn it? So, yep. There is Ratchet. So size comparison to a minifigure. Just get them started. There. Pretty okay. Size. Then we've got him like that. Head. Pretty cool. There you go, it's little bits there. There you go, some sticker. So it's got sticker. So yeah, that is it with Ratchet. I think his transformation is better. I like him the most because he's the only Autobot that I don't have to take pieces off. So yes, and I'm gonna make Ratchet, Ironhide, but I just need that little windscreen there, so when I get that I will show you how I've made him. Okay, and bye.